A few days ago I got this, the KZ Saga. It's relatively new, it launched back in October 2024 I guess, and it has a really interesting design with these vents as you can see. It also sounds very un-KZ like, there is no top end sharpness that I was expecting. It kinda sounds like a hybrid between the Caster and Tangzu Vanner, meaning that it has more bass than the Caster but less top end, particularly the upper mid-range, and the treble on this is surprisingly similar to the Vanner. So I guess this is KZ's version of the Vanner maybe, which means you get a punchy but comfortable sound without too much sharpness. It once again sort of reminds me of the CCZ Duet which we tried recently. That giveaway is still going on, and sound wise I think I prefer the Duet a little bit more because of its bass implementation, but this is not bad at all. And in terms of build, like the actual hardware, this thing is really well made, and I mean really well made, especially given the price. I was surprised to see the cables on these are half decent too. They're actually better than the Caster's cable. I like seeing that KZ is improving on that regard. So who is this for? Well, it's kind of meant for bass heads who liked the Tangzu Vanner's implementation but wanted a little bit more top end, particularly again in the upper mid-range section but not as high as the Caster. Or you wanted something like the CCZ Duet but with slightly more bass and better build quality. You have that here. Obviously all these IEMs I'm mentioning are good in their own regard, it's just about personal preference. If it were up to me, I would still prefer the CCZ Duet, but this is nice too. Which is why, as you may have expected, I'm giving this away. The giveaway will happen on Instagram. Actually, the reel is already live. Those who follow me there have had the chance to participate, so they are one step ahead of you. I just thought we should do an Instagram exclusive giveaway as well, since I've done so many exclusively on YouTube so far. The procedure is the same. You just leave a comment telling me a genuine reason, and once I pick a winner, I'll DM them directly on there. So you could win one of 3 here on YouTube and this one on Instagram. Lots of chances. Go check it out. I'll leave all the links in the description.